Thank you, Jerome. Now, the call for more attention to be paid to sports in Jamaica is a never-ending one. The latest person to add his voice is CEO of Montego Bay United, Orville Powell. According to Powell, the country is losing billions of dollars from the industry.
Sports can be viewed as one of two things, recreation or business. So far, Jamaica is barely getting out of the recreational stage. According to Orville Powell of Montego Bay United, it's time that politicians paid attention to sports.
One of the things that both parties do not respect is sports. So irrespective of what position you had before you get into the politics, when you get in, you will see, to me again, the sports is pushed aside.
But Sports Minister Olivia Grange hit back, stating her contribution.
I can say categorically that sport has benefited more under my direction and under this administration. It has benefited more than any other time in the history of Jamaica. I can say that. Nobody can challenge me on that.
Powell says billions of dollars are going down the drain, and it's time to make the sports ministry a super one and free of the culture, gender and entertainment portfolios.
We are speaking about we acting on sport as if it is not an industry. And it's a billion-dollar industry that we are missing. And that is why I think we have the minister with responsibility for sports.
But Grange believes the different sectors of her ministry complement the others.
Sports is physical culture. So it fits, and it is entertainment. So it fits into entertainment and culture. And at the center of sports, you have the gender. So everything is a convergence.
Powell is also calling on the ministers of tourism and security, two ministers who are MPs in St. James.
Security has a responsibility, and that is socially, and that is where they are missing it. Tourism has a responsibility, and these are two super ministries, which again, there's no city without sports.
Powell even questions the contribution of Hanover FA President Sheridan Samuels, who doubles as a politician.
For instance, the mayor are losing now, and you have not seen any effort being put into football there.
There could be help for the parish associations, as Grange says she is working on a way to assist them. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.